when you got to college, what was happening there? I mean, did you bring your core people with you, or did you develop a new core people?
No,
And then what did you study?
no, college, I totally lost track. So college, I would say
Lost track of what?
I,
Like lost track of,
so I went to a school that was bigger than I thought it was going to be. I went to a school that was uh, 30,000 people, which is like that's a big school. And I think if you don't know what you're trying to get done and you're dropped into a community like that at 17, I'm also like kind of young for my grade. So it felt uncomfortable. And I just, yeah, I didn't quite get a grasp on what I was interested in, the types of people I wanted to spend time around. I didn't quite get a grasp on that until the very end of college. Say anything that's like an okay break to take. So I just was going to the bathroom a lot. I was getting coffee a lot. I was like over caffeinated all day long, not getting any work done. And then about a year in, I realized like it was not going to be a good fit for me. And so I left and I went to a smaller boutique firm called Work AC, which is principled by Dan Wood and Amal Andraus.